Hello, lovely people. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to bake some healthy pie. We are going to use whole wheat to bake healthy pie without using margarine or butter. So, please stay back, relax, and enjoy this recipe. You're going to love it, and make sure you give it a try. But before we go on, please subscribe if you have not yet done so. Click on the bell icon, like and share this video. So the first thing we are going to do is to blend these onions, garlic, and spring onions. The spring onion is optional. This is sweet potatoes that I've chopped into pieces. I'm going to boil them. So I'm making use of 6 cups of whole wheat flour. I added a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, mixed everything together. I added 125 ml of coconut oil, and I'll add half of that to it again. So I forgot to add my baking powder, so I added a tablespoon of baking powder. So I added additional half of the 125 ml of coconut oil. You can use olive oil. This is an order from a client, so at the end of the day the oil should be mixed well, that when you mold it without water it can mold. You get it? So I blended my ingredient, that is the garlic and the spring onion plus the onions, in an earthenware instead of using a blender, because I didn't want to use too much water. So I started adding it little by little, and then added little bit of water to it. So I'm sprinkling water bit by bit till I get the consistency that I'm looking for. Now the client or the customer that I made this for, they didn't want too much oil in it. If not, could have used the 125 ml, two of that. Do you get it? So this is it. When you use too much oil, you reduce the water. So I covered with plastic to set it aside. Now you're going to prepare our filling, and the filling is going to be vegetarian. Okay, so I just added coconut oil to the pan, added my onions, I'm adding my chopped carrots. I'll stir fry this for some time, and then I'll also add my bell peppers, that is green bell peppers, to it. Please like and share this video, leave a comment as well. Okay, so I covered for some few minutes, and I'm going to add my green bell peppers also to it. Stir fry this and add cabbage to it. Yes, and then the next thing I'll add is the cooked potatoes, the sweet potatoes that I cooked. I added some seasoning and black pepper and white pepper also to it. I didn't add salt because the seasoning already contains salt, and this person also doesn't take in much salt, so that was okay. You can adjust it to your preference. Okay, so I added the rest of the onions, and I'm going to add a mixture of cornstarch. Yes, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in water, then mixed very well. I'm going to add it to it just to thicken it a bit. Then I'm going to add my spring onions to it, and that will be a stir it for some few seconds, and that is it. So I'm going to set my filling aside, and then bring out my board, sprinkle some flour on it, also apply flour on my rolling pin. I'm going to take the mixture, I'll take the dough, a little bit of the dough, and then mold it, and then place it on the board, roll it out. Yes, and I'm going to take my pie cutter. Yes, my pie cutter. Okay, so when I cut it, I'll roll it again to get it a bit wide. Then the next thing to do is to add my filling to it, and then mold it. Please like and share this video, leave a comment as well, click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video you will be notified. Okay, so just pinch it with my thumb or fingers. Yes, so you can also use fork to do it. This is my baking tray. I'm going to place it. I grease it with margarine and sprinkle some flour in it. Okay, so let's do the last one. Okay, so this is healthy. If you want to enjoy some pie while you are checking your weight, you can do whole wheat, but make sure you don't eat too much of it because every calorie counts. Do you get it? So this is it. Our whole wheat. So I'm going to use the fork to create holes on top. Yes, so that when we bake, it will bake very well. And then apply egg wash on it. Just one egg with 2 tablespoons of water. Mix it very well and apply. And I bake this for 20 to 25 minutes. So this is it after baking, looking all delicious. And it was actually delicious. So let me give you this view for you to see. Yes, so because we didn't use margarine, it's going to be a bit different from margarine. Do you get it? So this is it, our whole wheat pie. Yes, I'm going to break into one for you to see. You are going to love everything about it, so give it a try and you will not regret. This is it. Yes, this is it. So guys, you can enjoy this with your mouth or with your milo. So our pie, then after I packaged everything for my customers. Yes, thanks so much for watching. Please like and share this video for me. Leave a comment. Bye bye.